In other words, you didn't retrieve the staff of office in the onion cause, because you retrieve them after government must approve. Okay, and okay, this is your so about money, and let's hear you. Let's listen to you. And he can. For Ndigwe documents on your secretary, on your traditional, the law, traditional constitution of Awka. It will meeting them last 1 hour, lasted about 5 hours. I was special. He stood up, he spoke almost an hour, made his case. When he finished, the secretary committee of the one secretary the constitution of the chief, and what they were telling me was can go on for processes that will a work incumbent. Moment I was telling you, I'm not to the second to the last one in terms of the process. That's second to the last one. Again, provided after government has approved. Government, as part of the process, we are going to then to remove Ezeuzu. Government will the state government will do what? Approve. Before you retrieve the staff of office, or after government will approve now, they remove going there. When they retrieve the staff of office before I get to the last stage, and so on and so on. So when I read it, it's okay. What does some government did where approve or the removal? I said, no, I can't. There's no I can't. So you didn't complete the process. In other words, you didn't retrieve the staff of office in the onion cause, because you retrieve them after government must approve according to your constitution. Uno de manufacture another staff of office in Japan. So what's what I can on a staff of office Amazon on a Japan. Even so in Awka then I consider Malaya, they don't want to get Chisel Makita before Ezeuzu. Because if you follow your zoning, I told you definitely a constitution or no. I fully have a constitution on. Who then after God won't play? What is your class? Not very bad. What is your when crisis, when they were to know that. And I'll tell you one thing that will get any Awka. The summary of it for now. Gibson, Nwosu, Ezeuzu, the second of Awka, remains, has born, is, and remains the Ezeuzu of Awka. So, on this beat, government has issued white paper and accepted the analysis, the findings, and the recommendations of the panel, the Commission of Inquiry. The summary of it for that, Gibson, Nwosu, Ezeuzu, the second of Awka, remains, has born, is, and remains the Ezeuzu of certified and recognized by government in accordance to the Anambra traditional rulers law. That's the finding, and the government has accepted it and is been gazetted. There is no other traditional ruler in Awka. Any other person that parades himself or holds himself out as traditional ruler is committing a criminal offense. Can be jailed. The Commissioner of Inquiry and the government wide that is out. That's done. But Awka, let's build Awka together. Let's speak back from wherever I started earlier. Because Awka with immense potential, big community of 33